Hi, everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to share sessions to team without sharing the password of this account. Okay, so we are going to test it. So once you log in, we'll go to this Browse section. Okay, so we are going to use this P3. Let me switch to a different server to test it out. So we're going to test out session sharing without a password for this account. You can see this account is already logged in. To share the session, I will go to the Steam section, click on this arrow, and click on Add Member. Let me copy the email and paste it here. Click on Invite. You can see Invite Sent. Let me check if I received the email or not. You can see Invite Received. You can share this detail with your team members in their email. They will receive these email details. Let me go to a different virtual private server and log in using the given credential. Let me copy and paste this one. Go to Inbox, copy the email, and paste it here. Click on Verify and Login. Let me confirm this account. Receive email again, copy and paste. Confirm. Email is confirmed. Now we can log in to our team member, and as you can see, this team member is created in a different virtual private server. So once you create a session, you can share from this section. Click on Share. I am going to share with this team member. Copy, paste, assign. You can also assign how long you want to share the session. I will share the session for 10 minutes and click on Share. Session is shared successfully. Go back. Let me refresh this page. Log in again. You can see Shared with me as one session. Access it from this session. Click on Browse, let it load. Allow details to be copied and go to session here. Shared with me. You can see this session is shared. Let's give access. So you can see I've shared this account to my team member without sharing a password. Let's confirm this one. Click here. As you can see, I have created this one. So this is an account shared with my team members.